Today we will be making grape ice cream with only 2 ingredients. My first ingredient is Sunkist grape drink. And the next ingredient is Eagle brand sweetened condensed low-fat milk. Now we're going to mix our 2 ingredients. You need 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, and they are 14 ounces each. Put your sweetened condensed milk into the bowl. You will add some grape drink. It says to put first 12 ounces in and mix it before you add the rest. We'll add the rest of our grape drink and get it ready for the ice cream churn. We will add the ice cream mix to the ice cream churn and begin churning. It takes anywhere from a half hour to an hour. And if you want it harder, then you just put it in the refrigerator, in the freezer, and it'll get ready for you. We insert the ice cream churn. Come check it out. It's almost done, Dick.
It's good. Tasty.
It's fun.